Hello team, here's my justification of the design choices I made when creating the infographic we need for March's Epilepsy Awareness Project. Proximity means grouping related design elements together. I use this here to connect these two statistics together due to their relation to each other. Visual hierarchy is the idea that the arrangement of elements implies levels of importance. In these areas, visual hierarchy is used with varying visual weight to show importance. Throughout this infographic, vertical alignment was used. Vertical alignment means elements are aligned to a top and bottom margin, and any text is fully justified. You can see that each element is justified to the top and bottom of its area. Anomaly uses the principle of similarity to alter one object in order to draw attention to difference. In these isotopes, anomaly is used to highlight the statistic by singling out one person icon. A monochrome color scheme was used to create color harmony throughout the infographic. Let me know if you have any questions about my design choices.